Hi guys, today DIY mask is for removing suntan and prevent aging. It will also gives you glowing fair complexion by removing acne scars from the face. So you would need 1 teaspoon of barley flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. If you do not know how to make rice flour, you can check my previous video on rice flour. You would need 2 teaspoon of orange juice. If your skin is sensitive, then you would need 1 teaspoon of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of rose water. And if you find the thickness is too much for you, you can add more rose water in the 2 teaspoon of orange juice. How this mask work? Barley is rich in selenium and zinc, which not only improves the elasticity of the skin but also repairs the skin. Rice powder has natural anti-aging and oil absorbing properties, which makes it good for oily or acne-prone and dull mature skin. Barley and rice flour both are anti-inflammatory in nature, so when you apply it on your skin, it not only controls the effect of acne and skin infection, but also acts as a skin whitening agent that soothes sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer naturally. Oranges, they are full of vitamin C and antioxidants, which fight with the free radicals, which makes you aged. And citric acids aids in skin exfoliation and helps to dry out acne, improving the overall look of your skin. So you have to apply this paste on your face for at least 20 minutes. Wash it with a lukewarm water. Repeat it.
Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, quand je te vois.